Hello, everybody, and welcome to Toolbox Tuesday. I apologize for being a little late, but I had some prior engagements. So it's super good to be here. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about some self-care and some different oils that you can use for self-care. So when we talk about, filling our toolbox, we always want to talk about who can this apply to? And the first, and who this is for. And the great thing about essential oils, and you'll see this in all my videos, is that they're awesome for anybody, right? So whether you're going to use them for yourself, for your patients, for your family, they can be for anybody. You can use them anywhere. The great part about essential oils is that they can be used fairly quickly. You can take a whiff of them, you can wear them. So this is something that you can use as a tool anywhere you go. And you can put this anywhere on your body. When we're going to talk today a little bit about some citrus oils, and citrus oils are great as mood elevators. So when we're not feeling super, happy, this is a really good time to pull out your citrus. So this really can apply to, I feel like the who, what, when, where, and why for me with the essential oils is going to be almost identical every time, right? So it's really for anybody. You can use them anywhere. You can apply them, and we really want to affect that mood, right? We're talking about our mood. So we always want to be inhaling them or getting them to our limbic system, right? And today we're talking a little bit about self-care. And I think with everything going on, some of us have to deal with children, either remote learning or, coming home or getting on the bus or going to and from work. It's not always easy to be the most positive, right? And we should not beat ourselves up about that because we all struggle in so many different ways. And I know that Jennifer and I, when we talk, it's always, a conversation about how we're doing through this and, what we're doing to kind of, get through and make it through, these crazy times. And we really, do practice what we preach. And oils are both in our arsenals and we use them often. And one of the things that can happen sometimes is we can get down, right? It's tough to stay positive. When we use oils, one of the great things is we can elevate our mood using citrus oils. This is great too because citrus oils, lime, lemon, bergamot, wild orange, all of these different oils have different chemical constituents in it that are really capable of uplifting our spirits. So you can put this in a diffuser. This is something I like to do in the morning because it's typically very invigorating with those oils. Kind of a side note, this purifies the air. Citruses are fantastic for purifying the air. And just as a side note, lemon essential oil has a chemical constituent called limonene in it. And that limonene is actually a chemical that we use for our hard surface cleaners for being antibacterial. So we can swap out different citruses for hard surface cleaners, or if we're doing this, one of the side benefits, right, when we're diffusing, is that we're going to purify that air. So there's lots of different ways to incorporate this, and then you're going to get tons of side benefits with it, right? And so when should you be using this? Whenever you're feeling down. Throw your diffuser on. Throw a little bit behind your ears, always use a carrier oil, put them on your wrists, right? You can take a nice deep breath of that. It's a really great way to create an atmosphere. And this is something that you can use for yourself. But if you're using for yourself, your patients or your residents or your family is going to get those benefits as well. So this is something that you can use as sort of a trick, right, to kind of help the people around you, especially if you're wearing the essential oils. So choose different types of citruses. They are great for mood elevation. Lift those spirits. Try to stay in a positive mood. This is a really great, easy tool to have, and you'll get lots of side benefits. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday, and remember to fill that toolbox.